What is video modeling and how can it help your child?
Welcome to Neurodiversipedia, where we explain all those big, complicated words pertaining to neurodiversity in ways that everybody can understand.
Video modeling is exactly what it sounds like. It's taking a video, modeling an action or a behavior that you want somebody else to replicate. This could look like taking a video of yourself brushing your teeth so your child can better understand how to brush their own teeth. Video modeling is actually beneficial for everyone. Having a visual representation allows for your mind to remember the specific actions needed in order to complete that behavior. Video modeling helps a lot with improving self-confidence, improving retention for information. Video modeling is helpful for just about everyone. If you want to learn something new, search a video of how somebody is doing that action step by step. Break that video down into small pieces, and you might be able to learn that new skill as well.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.